Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Wouldn't you like your closet to go from this to this? Well, ARSTPEOE has really helped me to do that with these shoe organizers. I felt like these shoe boxes were pretty easy to put together. Once I figured out which direction the side panels went in, it took me maybe about 30 minutes to be able to put them all together. And I also really liked how hard and durable the plastic was. It was really easy to work with, and I feel like it's going to be able to hold up for a long time because of the sturdiness. And I really like how the doors have little magnetic holders, so it keeps the door held securely in place. And these boxes can be used in all sorts of different places to be able to store things. So they're portable. And then you can even use them for other things besides your shoes, which was really great. And they even come with little plastic removable pieces to be able to position it, so that way if you want to stack them, it keeps them securely in place. I got these shoe boxes particularly for my husband's shoes, and he wears between a size 10.5 and 11. So he was really happy with them. I'm really happy with them. And that is just our point of view.